Do you know communication can save you from getting laid off? Yeah, you heard it right. Communication can help you not be a victim of these upcoming recession. Communication can help you build yourself so strong that nobody will ever think about considering you as one of the employee that needs to be laid off. But it's not only communication. If you want to be recession proof, you have to think about how you can over communicate. See, over communication is a talent. You cannot just do everywhere. You have to understand where is the right moment you can start over communicating, when is the right time to over communicate, who is the right person to whom you can over communicate. See, over communication is very important, but it has to be very precise and very to the point to make sure that it does not create a bad impression, as well as it also help you be visible in the team and help you survive in these unforeseen situations. It's not about these unforeseen situations. It's a normal way of achieving success in a team. It's a normal process of getting excellence in your workplace and getting noticed at your workplace. So communication is the basic, but over communication is the rule to overcome these unforeseen situations. Think about this. If you try to over communicate certain things, people will see you in a different way. People will see your interest in sharing. People will see your authority in the market. People will see your knowledge in the team. Think about it, how big of an impact it will make towards your success. So think about how you can start communicating it. I am doing a workshop on 7 elements that you can build to make yourself recession proof. So book your seats now, and the link is in the description so that you can be a part of this 2-hour webinar and understand what you need to do to make sure that the upcoming recession does not impact you. And even if it's not a recession, you can start implementing these elements to make sure that you grow in your career and achieve success, promotion, salary hike faster. So I am on a mission to transform 1 million lives, to redesign their process and implement my design framework to make them ace performer at the workplace. So if you're liking this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and follow me on Instagram. Join the tribe. The link is in the description to join my WhatsApp group, the Telegram group, and make sure that you grab this opportunity to be the part of this webinar. I may not do this very often, so grab the seats and make sure you grab the opportunity to be successful in your career. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.